way to strike Japan has made landfall on the southern island of Kyushu.
Typhoon Nanmadol hit Japan's southernmost main island of Kyushu on Sunday, with the Japan Meteorological Agency (JMA) warning of unprecedented strong winds and high waves. The 14th typhoon of the season, classified as a super typhoon by the U.S. Navy Joint Center A typhoon warning, could bring record rainfall, the JMA said, warning of the risk of river overflows and landslides. Southern Kyushu could receive 500 millimeters, 20 inches of rain and wind gusts of up to 250 kilometers per hour, 155 miles per hour, on Sunday. While the central Tokai region could see 300 millimeters, 12 inches of rain, the agency estimates. Rail operators have cancelled trains in the region, with Japan's 7-Eleven convenience store chain temporarily closing about 950 stores. The storm is expected to turn east and pass through the island. Japan's main Honshu early next week, before moving into the sea on Wednesday. Meanwhile, thousands of people have been evacuated as Typhoon Su Spring brings strong winds and heavy rain in southern Japan. Super Typhoon Nanmadol made landfall on Japan's southern main island of Kyushu on Sunday, bringing strong winds and heavy rain to the region. The Japan Meteorological Agency (JMA) warned of unprecedented conditions as the typhoon passed the remote island of Yakushima earlier on Sunday. Please stay away from dangerous places, and please evacuate if you feel the slightest danger, that Prime Minister Fumio Kishida said after holding a government meeting about typhoons. It would be dangerous to evacuate at night. Please move to a safe place while it is still light outside. Meanwhile, authorities issued a tsunami warning for Okinawa, Japan's southernmost and westernmost prefecture, after a powerful earthquake hit Taiwan. The JMA issued a rare special warning for the Kagoshima and Miyazaki areas of Kyushu. Japanese authorities only issue such warnings for forecast conditions that are seen only once in decades. The southern part of the Kyushu region may see the kind of strong winds, high waves and tidal waves it has never experienced before, the JMA said Sunday, urging residents to be as careful as possible. More than 4,700 people in Miyazaki were evacuated, while in neighboring Kagoshima, more than 9,000 residents took shelter in evacuation centers on Sunday. About 93,000 homes across the southern island are without power due to damage to power lines and facilities, according to company Kyushu Electric Power. The conditions have also crippled travel, with hundreds of domestic flights in and out of the region cancelled. Flights are also planned to be suspended in western Japan until Tuesday as the typhoon heads northeast, Japan Airlines said. Public transport has also been suspended throughout Sunday in Kagoshima and Miyazaki. The JMA predicts Kyushu will receive 50 centimeters, 20 inches, of rain and wind gusts of up to 250 kilometers, 155 miles, per hour on Sunday. The central Tokai region can have up to 30 centimeters of rainfall. On Wednesday, Nanmadol is thought to have moved out to sea after passing through Japan's main island, Honshu. Heavy rains have hit Tokyo, causing the suspension of several subway lines. Nanmadol is the 14th typhoon of the season. Japan routinely sees heavy rains that trigger landslides or flash floods in typhoon season. But scientists warn that climate change is increasing the intensity of such weather conditions.
Typhoon Nanmadol has brought winds of at least 180 km per hour. Some areas could see 500 millimeters of rainfall. At least 4 million people have been told to evacuate their homes. Extensive flooding and landslides are expected. Bullet train services, ferries and hundreds of flights have been cancelled. The typhoon made landfall near the city of Kagoshima. The island of Kyushu has a population of more than 13 million people. Nanmadol is the 14th Pacific typhoon this season. It is expected to travel up through central Japan towards Tokyo over the coming days. The country is well prepared for dealing with such one of the biggest typhoons ever storms. But scientists say climate change is making them bigger and more destructive.